This is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly get it from the Play Store. Once the app is ready, you will need to go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the Agree and Continue button. Then decide if you would like to allow or restrict the notifications from this app. And then once you've made it to the app main page, you can finally establish the VPN connection by tapping at this caret icon over here. Then accept or confirm the connection request. And the VPN gets successfully connected to. While at it, you can change the server or specific country or even the city that you are connected to, pretty much like that. And finally, if you would like to turn the VPN off, simply tap at its cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.